My dear friends, how are you? How is life going on? My heartful greetings and respectable regards to all of you. Okay, the title for today's thought sharing session is Converting Hard Times into Opportunities. Yes, my dear friends, everybody in their life will pass through certain challenging times, that is, hard times. For somebody, it may be daily. For somebody, frequently. For somebody, lucky persons, occasionally they may feel some challenging situations or hard times in their life. But normally, everyone will feel that I am only getting hard times, challenging situation. Why it is happening to me again and again? These are the questions normally raised by so many people. Is it not? We may be facing a few health, financial, or relational problems. But more frequently, our hard times arise from our mind. Mental hard time is mostly a wounded ego. In such times, all we need is a shift in our thinking, the way we see and interpret life. Friends, now we will see some tips to overcome this type of hard times or challenges. First tip is you ask yourself, is this the worst that can happen? How do you think you would have handled something worse than this? It is our overthinking that makes any situation seem like it is hard to handle. The moment we change the track of our thinking to this is not the worst, the panic that crippled us subsides. Yes, my dear friends, that moment is very, very important. The change of your thinking, which leads you to overcome the challenges. So immediately that panic situation gets subsided and that situation becomes easy to manage. Second tip is instead of feeling bad, weak, blank, or confused about your hard times, let us think how we can utilize hard times to become braver, stronger, more creative, and loving. You have been trying hard to achieve something, but you are not successful. Think differently. If this does not seem to be yielding results, let me try another way, which might be the best for me compared to the previous one. We will discover within us a surge of energy that will open up more avenues for handling the same situation efficiently, and we will become braver and stronger. Third tip, when you make a mistake, your wounded ego can blow it up to an extent that you condemn yourself. I am worthless. Instead of being your enemy, be your friend. Be humble to accept your mistake and with a heart filled with deep gratitude and love. Work hard to regain confidence. Turn a hysterical moment into a historical moment, one that you reminiscence as an event that made you braver and stronger. Next tip is every day one cannot get sunshine. Learn to appreciate even cloudy weather. Even the sun, which has the tremendous amount of power, is not able to give its power on a cloudy day. Yes, even the sun has hard times, challenges ahead of it. It doesn't mean that the sun loses its power. No, the sun has its own power. The same power is within it. But because of the cloudy challenges, it's not able to enter into. Its rays are not able to enter into. Therefore, even such a big thing in the universe is facing troubles, challenges, and hard times. Why not us? Therefore, This will take away all your anxieties and insecurities. How can you be strong and creative if you keep complaining about life? All those you considered as heroes, even they have a lot of external sufferings. When you learn to enjoy all seasons, you will become a bright and warm presence for those who need to rise above their clouds. The next tip is, sometimes a bad day for your ego is a good day for the soul. Yes, it may happen to each one of us. We become more mature to endure and handle life passing through the fire of hard times. We always count our losses normally, isn't it? No, hereafter, please count your blessings. Start counting your blessings, yeah. கனி இருக்க காய் கவர்ந்துட்டு அருமையான பழங்கள் சுவைக்க இருக்கும்போது நீங்கள் போய் அந்த காயை கிடச்சிக்கிட்டு கசக்குன்னா எப்படிங்க? Sometimes we have to pay the price for our foolishness also. But let us be grateful that we could catch at the bud stage before it could grow into a big disaster. In hard times, we get to know our strengths as well as our weakness. But knowing our weakness in itself is strength. Ultimately, we come out stronger, wiser than before. When life is showing us opportunities, we are busy planning ahead in time. Once this finishes, I shall do this. This should be the thought. And if this doesn't work, what would I do? Not realizing that life has already given solutions to all our problems. We are so busy thinking that we miss the important lessons life wants us to learn. Make hard time a satsang, a song, a soul-filled song. Understand that it is your desire and ego that is projecting difficulties. Don't just jolt these points down. Repeat and apply again and again till they become your beliefs. Therefore, hereafter, even in the next 1 hour, you may face some challenges or hard times. Not only you, everybody. But what we should do, we have to again go through this chart of ideals. Then we have to make our mind suitable to face such challenges or hard times in our life. வாழ்க வளமுடன், நல்ல எண்ணங்களுடன் வாழ்வோம், நலமுடன் வாழ்வோம், இனிய சொற்களையே பேசுவோம், எப்போதும் இன்புற்றிருப்போம். அன்புடன் சுகுமார்.